How to download and install Intel HD graphics driver for your Windows 11 or 10, 11 and 10. So let me start with the video. So first we need to go in that control panel, come to the search and search for control panel here on your Windows, and here come to the large icon, select the large icon and come to the device manager. Okay, so this window will be open, the device manager, or you can simply right click on this start button and go to the device manager. Okay, so same window will be open. Now we need to make sure you come to the view and make sure you show the hidden folder, hidden device also. Just click on it, just click on it. Okay, so here come to the this option, display adapter. Here you can see the Intel graphics driver 730. What we can do, just right click on it, go to the update driver. So here you can see the two options. In second option you can see you can reinstall from your window file from your PC. So you can just reinstall this option, you can use, just select that. Now come to the, let me pick from list of available drivers on my computer. So select that drivers and just click on next and install it. Once it's installed, come to the same window and select this option, second option, the display adapter, and just click on next, and this also will be installed. Once it's both installed, you can restart your PC. The second option you can go, okay, you can update from here also. Go to the property and go to the update drivers, and now we can use this option. Okay, for this you can search for update drivers on your updates, window updates. Okay, so here it's showing that my driver is already installed. Okay, it's already update, but you can check for your window updations where you can, but before that we need to go to the setting here, come to the systems, here the window updates, and make sure this window updation is enabled in your PC. Okay, once it's enabled you can go for this option. Okay, so if there is a driver updates in your window updates, it will be update automatically. And now I will show the last option, which is we can download from the web. So first come to the browser. Okay, just come to the any browser and search for Intel driver list. Okay, so here you can see the first link, which is intel.com, which is official list. So here come to your Windows. So if you have Windows 11 you can go for it, or if you have Windows 10 you can go for it. Okay, come to the Windows 11 and here the OS 64 byte, whatever you have. So if you have 11 means you have 64 byte. Okay, now we need to check the processor. Come to the device manager again, and now we need to go in the processor options and select your processor. So sorry, check your processor. So my processor is 12th generation Intel. Okay, so come to the select that supportive product. So okay, here the 12th generation Intel core processor, so the 64 bytes, so we can download it. Okay, this is this driver support for our window or system. Okay, so you can go for it, download, come to the download. Once it's download, here you can double click on it and open it and just install this file on your window. Once it's installed, you can restart your PC. Okay, then this your driver will be update. Okay, so how we can check it is whether it's updated or not. So come here after restart your PC, come this window, device manager, come here in display, right click on, go to the property, and under the device drivers you can select driver date and driver version. Okay, so you can see that date has been changed. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.